So the first way is to share your Wix website preview privately without publishing to the internet. Usually people use this to get feedback from their friends or relative. And then to do it, you want to go to your Wix editor, and then you want to click right here on site at the top left of your screen. And then you want to click right here on get feedback. Just click on it, and then click on copy link. There you go. After that, you can just share your website preview privately to anybody you like. Here I am in my incognito browser, and then if somebody click the link that you just gave before, and then this is what they will see. First, they can see the desktop view right here, and also the mobile view of your website. And then they can also add the comment by click on anywhere on the website. So for example, if somebody want to comment on this design, just click on add comment right here at the top right of your screen, and then drag this circle to the element that they want to comment. So for example, I'm going to leave it here, and then they can leave the name, the email, and then the comment. Therefore, you can get feedback from them. And then don't worry, those who have your link cannot do any editing to your website at all. And then the second way is to share your Wix website publicly for free. To do it, you want to go again to your Wix editor, and then you want to click publish right here at the top right of your screen. Just click on it. And then after that, you want to list or index your Wix website on Google or any search engines to add the traffic to your site by going to your dashboard. Here, from Wix editor, you want to click on the site again, and then you want to click on my dashboard, which will take you to your dashboard. On the dashboard, you want to look on your left side of your screen, and then click right here on settings. Just click on it. On settings, you want to scroll down until you see site, domain, and SEO, and then click on SEO settings. And then you want to scroll down again until you see this set site preferences. And then on let search engines index your site, you want to make sure you are turning this on. This way, your website is automatically published on Google for free. And there you go. If you still have any question about Wix, just comment down below, and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to share website preview on Wix. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.